Since Florida State's offensive and defensive units don't always seem to be in sync at the same time, it's a good thing place kicker Sebastian Janikowski has been almost perfect this season. Janikowski kicked 5 field goals, blasted all of his kickoffs into or out of the end zone, and managed to run down an NC State linebacker to save points in FSU's game against the Wolfpack.
Here it is going to be picked off. He can run it back. Look out. Hits a block. Hits another. Outson's coming over to try to bring him down. He misses. Chasing him down is Sebastian Janikowski.
After NC State upset the Seminoles last year, the Tribe was not about to take this game lightly. The defense would be awesome, limiting NC State to just over 200 yards of offense. The terrorizing D would score 2 touchdowns on the day, one coming on this fumble recovery. Wolfpack QB Jamie Barnett scorched the FSU defense for 287 yards last year. This year, he would only muster 129. The secondary would atone with 4 interceptions.
So he throws it downfield. Cody picks it up. Just down here comes the blitz. He puts the ball in the air. It is nearly. It's caught. It's picked up. Great catch by Cookie Thomas. And that's Fryer blitzing, and Barnett's going to be flushed out of the pocket. Pass picked off at the 45 to the 40 to the 30. Abdul Howard will go all the way. Touchdown, Florida State.
The Noles conquer the Wolfpack with an impressive 45-11 victory and move to 2-0 in the ACC.